Explosion was reported about 45 minutes ago just off Interstate 35 north of Waco in a community called West. A number of injuries have been reported. Witnesses say several buildings have been damaged, including a nursing home. There are also reports of people trapped in buildings, though at this point there is nothing to indicate that there's anything nefarious at work here. It appears to be just a major accident and one with substantial consequence. We'll bring you any new developments in this newscast as it happens and, of course, on the KTLA 5 News tonight at 10.